In this section, we are going to see about scheduled refresh in Power BI services. What is this? Basically, you have your data in your on-premise or the cloud. You have published the data initially. Now, the next day you have the new set of data. Now, this new data also to be added as part of the reports. So, there are two ways to do it. Either you can go to the data set or the semantic model and then do the manual refresh. Click on refresh button so that new data also to be included in the report. Otherwise, every day 2 p.m. Or 2 a.m. your data will be ready. Now you need to schedule it at some frequency. If you say 2 o'clock you have your data, at 2:30 you will schedule it, or this is continuous. Assume you have every half an hour or every minute there is a data. You cannot refresh every minute, right? So you will schedule refresh every half an hour or every 1 hour, so that you will get the latest data. You will always have a 1 hour delay in your data over here with the reports. That is the assumption. So this is all about refreshing your data. Whenever there is changes in the data, how we will refresh it. Either you can do a manual refresh or a scheduled refresh. Let's try to check it out as part of this video, how to implement that. So I'm in Power BI service. Let's go to Power Workspace. So here you need to check the semantic model. That is the fundamental, meaning you have a reports and semantic model, right? Here you need to choose the semantic model. So let's go to this 7.6 services. This is the semantic model. Click on this and then settings, right? So here you have an option for refresh and then schedule it. Configure a refresh schedule. So daily at particular time. Let's see what is the time now. It's almost 12:30. I think so. Every 30 minutes only you have a time. So it's 1 a.m. in that case. So 1 a.m. I need to schedule it. Okay. Yeah, Power BI doesn't have a 15 minutes gap and all. You can maximum schedule is a limitation. Now assume we have scheduled it. This is the one way of doing it. Meaning you have scheduled around 1 o'clock, and then by that time any new data comes in, then it will be reflecting. Let's try to do it in a manual way. Okay, before that I want to see the data, what data it contains. Then we will update some data in the Excel, right, in our source, in our case. Then we will see whether it's reflecting or not. So we have 8408 as a quantity, and then we'll try to add 2 more quantity in our backend. Then we will see how to manually refresh and check that one. So let's go to our Excel. Let's check this one column. You see the sum is 8408, the same data. Let's take this 2 records and go at the end. Let's put it here, and then let me drag and drop this one also here. Let's keep it let's see what it appears. It's okay. Now I've added 2 more lines with 2 more quantity. This is the value. Let's save this record. I'm in Excel. Now what happens, I have saved this in my local, right? Now how this will reflect, let's keep this report as it is. Go to the data set again. Go to the data set. There is option called refresh now. Let's click on refresh. Now it's refreshing. It was very quick, I think. Oh yeah, it is refreshing. You can see here. So it takes a few seconds to few minutes. It depends. Let's wait for a few more minutes. So this is what via gateway only right now it's reading this data, because we have our data in our on-premise, so it has to read from that Excel and then refresh your report. Sometimes it will keep on refreshing. Even though at the back end it might be completed, it will keep on having the icon as refresh. So we'll refresh the complete page and we'll check right now. Yes, it got refreshed now. Let's go and check, and then here also you can do the refresh the page. So it should have 8410. Even I need to do this testing right now. Yeah, there you go, it is reflected 8410. So similarly, we have scheduled refresh. I think we need to wait for another 20 minutes. I don't want to waste your time as well as my time. It will automatically refresh. So it depends upon your frequency of your data. So it's a manual refresh. You know how to do it. It's go to this data set and refresh now. In order to schedule it, go to the settings and then ensure your gateway everything is enabled. Go to the refresh and then set the timings. You can add multiple timings, as many as possible, based on your licensing facility. Okay, I hope you understand the purpose of this refresh and schedule refresh. You can have your latest data in your Power BI reports. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries. And do remember that data is your asset. And comment below for any